D, crashes at startup, freezing on PC. Now, 1, restart your PC, close all running applications completely. We can normally launch the game after rebooting. Launch the game after rebooting. 2, verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher, go to Subnautica 2 Properties, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 3, update graphics drivers, open NVIDIA app, AMD software, or Intel driver tool, download and install the newest GPU drivers, restart your PC after updating. 4, run the game as administrator, right-click the game exe or shortcut, select Run as Administrator, also run Steam Epic Launcher as administrator. 5, disable overlays and recording apps, turn off Discord overlay and Steam overlay, close OBS, MSI Afterburner, and Xbox Game Bar, relaunch the game after disabling them. 6, lower in-game graphics settings, reduce texture quality and shadow settings, disable ray tracing or heavy effects if available, cap FPS to improve stability. 7, install Visual C++ and DirectX files. Open the game installation folder, run Visual C++ redistributable installers, install the latest DirectX runtime files. 8, delete corrupted cache and config files, press Windows R, type sent local app data sent, and press Enter. Delete Subnautica 2 cache/config folders. 9, check for overheating problems, monitor CPU and GPU temperatures while gaming, clean dust from fans and air vents, stop overclocking if enabled. 10, reinstall the game cleanly, uninstall Subnautica 2 completely, remove leftover files manually, reinstall the game on an SSD if possible,